Our story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Features also include cruise control, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2017 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, Bluetooth, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.